Alright, let's talk about the best controllers settings for Splitgate 2. If you're aiming for smooth, responsive gameplay that still feels competitive, a good place to start is with both horizontal and vertical sensitivity set to around 7.0. That gives you a nice middle ground, not too twitchy, but still quick enough to keep up in fast fights. If you leave your zoom sensitivity at default, it stays consistent when you're aiming down sights, which really helps build muscle memory over time and keeps your shots more accurate during intense moments. Now, for dead zones, try setting your inner dead zone to 0.10 and your outer dead zone to 0.08. That keeps your aim tight without picking up all the tiny stick drift. If your controller is older or your sticks feel off, you can tweak these slightly, but don't stray too far from these numbers. Proper dead zone adjustments prevent frustrating misinputs and make it easier to track fast moving targets. Next, response curve and acceleration. Set your response curve to exponential. It gives you smooth control when making small adjustments, but still lets you whip around fast if you push the stick all the way. For acceleration type, go with actual. This feels better in high pressure situations where you need to react quickly and ensures your movements stay consistent. Now, the advanced stuff. Set look acceleration to about 0.9, then bump your horizontal boost to around 2.6 and vertical boost to 2.3. That extra push on horizontal helps with strafing targets or when enemies portal behind you and you need to turn quickly. Vertical boost is a bit lower since most aim corrections are side to side, not up and down. You can always fine tune these values based on your playstyle. Finally, don't forget about personal comfort. Every player has slightly different preferences, so use these numbers as a starting point and adjust slowly. Also, practice is key. Spending time in training or casual matches helps your muscle memory adapt to these settings faster. Over time, you'll notice smoother tracking, faster reactions, and more confidence in fights. With the right balance, these settings will make your controller feel more responsive and give you a solid edge in Splitgate 2, especially in high pressure matches where every millisecond counts.